Garvee makes air conditioners 5000 and 8000 BTU with 300 plus CFM. And what we have here is a 50 dB quiet level 3-in-1 air conditioner, dehumidifier, fan with a 24-hour timer and more. What we're going to do is show you the 8000 BTU fast cooling dehumidifier with 2 speeds. Easy to install with a 24-hour timer as mentioned. Low noise with the scroll wheel, comes in white and a black panel. Remote control. Let's open up the box. Carefully removing the staples. Show you how nicely the air conditioner is packed. A scissors and taking out the cardboard and more. Cutting the safety straps and taking off the cardboard and the plastic. Remove the window kit from the side, the exhaust from the top. With everything out of the box, the description of the product we have is a window kit, a drain hose, the hardware, included 2 AAA batteries for the remote control. Hang it up on the wall, place it on top of the air conditioner without a cradle, an instruction guide and information to go over, and for windows that are slide up and down or slide left to right, right to left. We have the exhaust hose and the attachments to the exhaust parts. The exhaust hose pulls out and screws on to the attachments through an exhaust area. You can make a hole 4 inches in a wall anywhere imaginable of the house. And the attachment from the AC to the wall wherever you exhaust out. Adjustable up to 4 feet. We'll give a measurement on the table, 48 inches, as it closes up to 36 inches. Dimensions of the air conditioner with the wheels is 27. In depth, it is 10 inches, and with the pieces in the back, a foot more. You have the width of 13 inches. You have the window in black, 2 inches in diameter with a small window, 2 digits, and it lights up as it turns on. Please remove all the tapes around the unit by grabbing the leading edge and peeling away. When not holding the fan unit, the door may pop open. There are no leading edges on the blue tape, so please carefully peel off. The extension cord measures about 4 feet. It has a safety, a reset button, power button. The actual length of the cord is 44 inches or so. With information in the back of the unit, we have the drain hole, the cord area, an area that you could place your cord and plug in for transport. You have your filter area, your vents on the side, and over here is a replacement filter screen. This is a 5000, 8000 peak BTU, 115 volt, 6.5 amp, with a compression of 5.5 and a motor of a 1.5 amp, with the SEER of 6.28. The information is provided on the tag. We have a quick guide that you can easily go over and follow the instructions for the window kit. And we have the full portable air conditioner CF8 to follow. In the back of the unit, we have 2 areas, the drain overflow and the drain empty. We have a hose that we can connect and empty out the water into an optional 1-quart container and connect the hose to a 13mm extension hose to empty out when overfills and collects moisture. There is a water tank built in as it fills up. The unit has a water safety shutoff area in the controller that warns you that the unit is filled with water to empty out. When redirecting the air to the outside vertical and horizontal window, this is the area that you will connect your filter to. You'll extend your hose. It's made of plastic and opens up. It slips on and locks into place by rotating. Setting up the drainage hole, remove the plug, remove the drain hose, and simply slide on your connection firmly. The hose is non-extendable. You're able to add an additional extension hose. In this demonstration, we're going to turn the power on. We have a red light and we have an electronic beep, and we're testing the unit to shut off. To reset is pressing in the unit and you get electronic beep and a red indicator light. The window install kit has a number of parts. It has a T-bolt. The T-bolt will go in to the whole area here. Then we have a washer and a wing nut. Screw on, and we have the slider piece, and they're going to match up and slide together. You're going to adjust the T and slide in. There is no stopper, so please do not overextend. You're going to tighten down. With the vent facing to the bottom, the wing nut facing in. With the vent going into the inside, snap on. There are 4 notches that match the area. Simply align and snap in. It slides down and locks into place. To remove, simply lift up and pull out. We have a spare. Take the self-tapper, place into the hole, and lock down. You may put the spare self-tapper into the opposite hole and lock down. From the inside window, you're going to place in and lock into place, and that is your window install kit. With the hose extended, the amount of hose you're given is about 4 feet. As you extend, you place on and screw down. As we place one end on from the window and the other end on to the exhaust, we slide the vent in and lock into place and bring the vent to the window and lock in. We're going over the unit. This is the louver, opens up to about 75 degrees. Your overlay window with all the controls. Your timer by pressing on the feather touch buttons, 1 hour, all the way up to 24 hours, and down, increase and decrease. After a number of seconds, when the timer goes off, you're not able to change the timer. You need to shut off the timer and then increase it to the amount of time you want. In order to operate the unit, you must go over to the on button. Hit the on button, increase or decrease the temperature. We're on cool, on high, changing the fan to low. If your fuse is underrated, the machine will shut down, as you've seen. Circuit protection. With built-in technology and turning on the circuit breaker, we're going to demonstrate. The unit has a memory recall and will turn back on. As we decrease the fan to the lowest speed, it kicks in. The 8000 BTU is blowing. We're on dehumidifier. In order to change off a dehumidifier, we come over to the 3 wind and press on to fan, cool, and dehumidifier. Over here we have a fan circulation, and we have information of waterfall. With the remote control, we can increase and decrease by pointing the unit with the batteries built in. We can shut off the unit, and takes a number of seconds to cool down and shut down. We could power on the unit, and if we want to have Celsius or Fahrenheit, we hold the fan button and it changes from Fahrenheit to Celsius and back to Fahrenheit. We have a sleep timer that we could press sleep timer. In order to get the sleep timer off of fan, you must be in the cool, and sleep timer will shut off at the required amount of time. In this demonstration, we're showing you with the power station portable Garvee. We're able to turn the unit on and run the air conditioner on cool. There's an off-the-grid air conditioner for your needs, for sheds, garages, RVs, camper, pools, and emergencies. Your Garvee 8000 BTU CF8 air conditioner. We're going to show you the temperature that is 57, 51, 50.48, 60 degrees. We're going to set this up in the bedroom and show you what it looks like. Your air conditioner is easy to take apart. And close everything up and move to another location in easy steps. With the power cable wrapped around, plugged into the back hole, and wheels to roll. Place the air conditioner, rooms, wherever you want to have cool air, dehumidify, or just a fan running. The air conditioners are portable anywhere you want to put. I hope this is something that you are looking for in your portable air conditioner needs from Garvee, the CF8, an 8000 BTU 3-in-1 air conditioner. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is what you are looking for, has a timer, different speeds, and more. Enjoy your product of your household appliance. And thank you for viewing.